Hey, fifth grade. Today we are finishing up with, we're not at the very end of our unit, but we're getting close. All right, so now today we are looking at our primary resources, okay? And what you'll do is you're going to read the article excerpt and discuss its meaning. Then you're going to answer the questions that follow. All right, I'm going to read it for you just in case some of you have trouble with some of the words. Sir, this evening intelligence hath been received that about 1,200 of the regular troops have proceeded from Boston towards Concord, and having fired on the inhabitants and killed a number of them at Lexington, are now actually engaged in butchering and destroying our brethren in the most inhuman manner. The inhabitants oppose them with zeal and courage, and numbers have already fallen on both sides. The source is from the Library of Congress. What you have to do is, on this chart below, you're going to show statements from the article that are correct statements, and then you're going to show statements that are propaganda. And propaganda means partly true information that was meant to anger or inflame colonists. We have propaganda going on in our newspaper, news stations. Those things are still going on today. It has not changed. So that's the first thing that you're going to do. Second thing that you're going to do is you're going to read through this little booklet, and I'm going to read it with you just in case some of you have trouble with some of the words. And the directions say to make it into a booklet, but you don't have to do that because I'm not asking y'all to print color paper and to. I know most of you don't have a printer, so it's fine for you to read it like this. Battles of Lexington and Concord. The Minutemen statue proudly stands in Lexington's battle green. The engraved stone is a memorial to Captain John Parker at Lexington Green. This is Concord's Old North Bridge, and this is where the Minutemen and the British soldiers confronted one another, and the shot heard round the world happen. Minutemen statue, located in Minuteman National Historic Park. This part of the battle road stretches through Minuteman National Historic Park. The British traveled the road on the day of the battles of Lexington and Concord. Read this interesting plaque. It sits on the battle road and honors John Raymond. The stone marks the graveside of some of the unknown British soldiers. All right? So what you're going to do is, this is meant to be played as a game with a group, but since we're not in school and we don't have groups, I'm going to let you do it individually. Just this first sheet, this is relay 1. There are 4 different relays. Each question has a number value. When you choose your answer, circle the number in the answer values column. When you're finished, add all the number in the answer values column to make the total value. If this value is correct, your teacher will give you the relay sheet number 2. We'll do relay sheet number 2 tomorrow.